Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Instax Mini 11 in 1 minute. Alright, and go. First thing to do, load the batteries. Second, place film in, make sure that the yellow thing's in line, and shut the back door. Dark slide will pop out of the top, and you're ready to go. To turn the camera on, you're just going to push in this nub. You'll see this little light on, that means that the battery's working and the camera is good to go. To take a picture, look through your viewfinder, point it at the subject, and you're going to press this shutter button, and you're just going to press it down, and a picture's going to come out of the top. There you go, picture one down. Now you don't need to flap this or anything, it'll just develop on its own. So by default, the camera can't focus that close. So if you want to do a selfie or a macro shot, you pull out on the lens barrel until you see the little selfie on button. So you point the camera at yourself, press down on the shutter button, and picture pops out the top. Light means the camera's ready to go again. If you want to turn the camera off, all you do is push down the barrel and the camera's off, ready to store. That's it. That's how to use the Instax Mini 11. I'm sure many of you may have gotten these as presents or gifts, or you got one for yourself. Super easy camera to use, very simple, and a lot of fun. So get out there and have fun shooting. Your pictures will probably look a little bit more flattering than this one I just took of myself.